Alright, we're finally going to get a dinghy, I think. Possibly. So we're going to go check it out right now. There's a guy, he says he has one. Really nice dinghy for super cheap. So we're going to go check it out. We drove all the way up to Vero Beach. So we're on our way to the marina right now.
I'm Apple.
And I'm Rob. Join us as we seek out new adventures and escape the 9-to-5 grind.
We travel by land, sea, and air, searching for fun adventures, best-kept secrets, culinary delights, and tasty craft beers.
New episodes weekly.
Thanks for remembering to subscribe.
There's a lot of sailboats here. We're standing out here by the south dock. There she is.
Hey, you found it!
We did! How you doing?
Good, how are you? Good. So, I got it. I used it in the Bahamas with my daughter and granddaughter and stuff.
Alright, so it's a done deal. We're gonna load her up now and take her home. So we got a 2013 AB Inflatables Navigo 8 VS. Alright, we're back to Sailorman. Let's go in and see what we got. We got the dinghy now. Now we need the outboard. So let's see if they have anything worth taking a look at. Let's go.
Look at this little thing. Little 12-foot sailboat.
Proceeds
$2,500.
benefit Freedom Waters Foundation.
Oh, that's nice. Look how cute this is.
Yeah. Look at that little rope rub rail.
Looks like it's got everything in it.
Yeah, for the most part. This thing would be fun to...
Oh, is that a cruise ship?
Yeah. Oh, look. There's the outboards. Let's see what they got. Mercury 15. It's all two-stroke. This is what we need right here. $1,500 though.
Looks pretty clean inside. Look at this one. This one's only $295.
Yeah. I don't know about all that. This is a 2012.
Yeah.
So what is it, 7 years old? This thing looks big and heavy. I'm kind of going for the Mercury.
I want it.
How much is it?
Well,
There's a sticker on it.
the big one's 85.
What are you gonna do with it?
What do you mean? I'm gonna put it on the wall
Where?
in the house,
Where?
and then I'm gonna put that next to it.
Alright. I want to know how much the Sailorman hat is.
Feel the thunder.
Swab the deck or walk the plank. Nassau. That's pretty cool, huh?
No. This one's even better.
Mostly drunk with a chance of fishing. Oh, that's awesome.
You want me to take a picture of you guys doing that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We didn't find anything today that was in our budget, so we're gonna have to keep on looking and be a little patient. As you can see, patience did pay off. Finally, we were able to get this dinghy, so that was a fantastic deal there. Anyhow, if you haven't done so already, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever we post new videos. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure. Bye.